Hey guys, and welcome back. Today I'll show you how to change page color in Word. Firstly, launch the Word document and load it where you wish to change the background color. Navigate to the Layout tab on the top toolbar and click the Page Color button to access the color scheme options. Choose a color from the theme or standard options in the palette. If you need a custom shade, just click More Colors, adjust the shade manually, or enter the exact color code. Once you've selected your preferred color, click Add to apply it as the background color. The new background color will now appear across the entire document. And your document has a fresh new background color. This feature can be useful for presentations, creative projects, or enhancing readability. And that's it, guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.